Welcome to episode 18 of Model Car Memories. I'm just going to do a simple cleanup of a model here. Pick this one out. It's a 1960 four-door hardtop Cadillac. This is a model from JoHan. Not much needed to it. It's got some wheel covers missing. I might need to see if I can locate those, but it doesn't look like anything's broken on this aside from the missing hubcaps. You just got a solid base here. There's two screws that hold it together, and this looks like the tail lights look like they're there, all that. So like I said, if I get started with a brush here. So I'm just going to brush all the dust off of it, and then I'll take it apart and then do the cleaning afterwards with a mild soap, and then I use the cotton swabs to do the cleaning on it, just to be real gentle on the model. So let me get this apart and I'll come back to you when I'm starting the cleaning. Okay, everybody, I've got the car disassembled. I've already cleaned it. One issue, the interior was glued in, so I didn't want to break that, and I just kind of left it in there. So what I did was I took the cotton swabs and just kind of pushed it in through the windows openings and got it clean on the inside that way. I did have to glue this little part right here back together. It just it broke apart. And then on the wheel covers, I found I found two. There was one that was already on it, and I found two. So I'm missing a 1960 Cadillac wheel cover. If anybody has one, would like to trade, I've got a whole lot of extras from the 60s. If there's something specific you need. The chrome's a little faded on it, but I mean, it's still cleaned up. Some on that. Let's see here. This looks like this wheel here got pushed in a little bit. Let's see if I can push this back out. Yeah, that's got that back out correctly. Like I said, this is a JoHan kit, so it's got it listed right there. JoHan models, Detroit, Michigan. Then use of trademarks and car designs authorized by General Motors Corporation. The bottom, I really didn't clean the bottom up that much. It just kind of, the way it's weathered and stuff, it really looks authentic, except for like I said, if you've seen this channel before, you know my stepdad painted the exhaust red on everything. I still do not know why. So let's see if I can put this back together. Like I said, in this kit, everything's it's not two screws that hold it together, it's just one screw. So I think this, yeah, there's a little tab on the front of here where it clips in, and it kind of holds it in place there. And then the back doesn't have that, it just kind of sits in on the back. Okay, and then the front here. And I put the wheel with the missing wheel cover, I put it on the back. So you got the fender skirt, and when it sits on the shelf, not really going to be able to see it. So, alright, and kind of very gently tighten these up. Don't get them too tight, especially this one in the back here. It was holding everything, but I said it just came apart. Okay, and there you have it. Like I said, these were brushed on paint, they weren't sprayed on models, but the way the sides kind of shined up, I think if I had some either a wax or a very mild polishing compound, this car would probably shine up really good. It's still got some shine on it, but you can definitely see that it was a brushed on model. So there you have it, the cleanup 1960 JoHan Cadillac four-door hardtop. But thank you for watching. I especially want to thank all the new subscribers that's joined the channel. Thank you for joining. Even though this is episode 18, I've got 35 or so more to go on everything, with all the models that haven't been made, the ones that need fixing. There's a couple of them that the repair is going to take a couple more than just one video to repair them. But if you haven't liked the channel, please subscribe to it, like the video, and also on Instagram, look up Model Car Memories on Instagram. I'll take detailed photos of the cars.